Hello guys, after a long time I come again on the YouTube to generate some code. So in this time I will not generate my code with myself. I will use the ChatGPT tool to generate the code. So you guys now are familiar with that particular tool, that's the ChatGPT, because it's already released with the, you can say that, on the beta version or testing version. After that it will be the paid ChatGPT. So what is the ChatGPT? ChatGPT is the OpenAI project that you have to ask some questions. Ask some questions, and on the basis of that question it will provide the exact answers on that particular question. So how to use this ChatGPT is very easy. You have to go with the chat.openai.com. so it will go to the first page that you have to sign in or sign up, and after the sign up you will see that particular screen. And so in this screen you can have to just type the message, type the question, and it will give you answer. So yesterday I just asked this ChatGPT that how to develop the Dinosaur game. So it will give me the lot of things like how to develop the Dinosaur game with that particular pseudocode. Like it's provide that you have to plan that game is what kind of information you have to need, like you have object, you have things, obstacles, you have to CSS to design the game, and certain things that apply for the for building the game. So then this is the source code. I don't need the pseudocode of that particular game. I need an actual code to create a or you build a game. So then I asked the question, can you provide the code? So he gave me the particular code, like you have to use the JavaScript library that is called the Phaser library, that is to generate the new games. So this kind of information they give me. So let's copy this code and test it will working or not. So I will open the Visual Studio Code and open the folder. Okay, I just create a new folder that's called Dinosaur. Okay, and in this particular folder I need to create the new file that is called index.html. so I need to generate the basic code of the HTML file. So I just gave the name of the game, and now I need to go for other stuffs like, okay, I just copy the code and paste it in a script tag. Sorry, I think I need to put the script tag on in a head section. Okay, that's amazing. Okay, so I just pasted that code, and I need to run this code and see this is working or not. I just press the go live and it may open the page, and that page give me nothing because that is the phaser, because I don't have the phaser library included in my head section, because it is all about the phaser. Because you can see that this is the phaser class, and this phaser class needs the library to use that functionality. So I just go back again and ask the question, what is the phaser library? Then he gave me the lot of information, that what kind of information the phaser library is. It just giving the information, steps, how to use them. Then I used how to include the phaser library in the vanilla JavaScript. So he just explained very well that if you download the JavaScript file from the website, you have to include that script tag with the proper path of the phaser library JavaScript file. He also provide the CDN URL to use that phaser library. Okay, just copy this one. I will use this one library and paste it in head section. Okay, let's refresh the page. Oh wow, the canvas is here, but the canvas is now blank. Nothing is working properly. All right, but nothing came out. Okay, let me debug the code, this one, and the preload. Okay, this one is working, and after that it's not giving me anything. Wow, why? All right, I think code is not working, so I need to go back to the again ChatGPT. I just asked different Dinosaur PNG because it's included in a Dinosaur PNG file. So I asked the ChatGPT, can you give me the Dinosaur PNG file? So he said that I am not giving you any images because images have some copyright issue or something like that. So it's not giving me anything. So I said, your example is not working properly. Can you please provide the latest version of your example? He said that I apologize if the example code is not working. So he gave me the latest version code, so just copy this one and paste it here in a script tag. All right, okay, and then I just, oh, now I got the errors, 4 error. This is the, okay, see that it's giving me the error about that there is no dinosaur available on your assets folder. So let's go to find the dinosaur things. Okay, we can use this one. Save images. I need a folder that is called assets. Now I need the obstacle. Okay. Okay, I will use this one. Okay, now run, and you can see oh, dinosaur and the image is there, but it's not running. So I need some something to resize that image. Let's edit this image, resize, pixel, vertical, horizontal. It's very small. Let's see. So dinosaur is here, so I just resize the other image. So this is the basic one, so you need to update this thing with yourself. So this is here. So I am also opening the Phaser library. This is the latest version or not. JavaScript Phaser 3, because Phaser 3 is the latest version. Okay, download phaser, download page. So this is the CDN, so I need to use this CDN thing, because this is the 3.55.2 and this is the older version 3.24, so I need to change this one. Remove this one. Oh, sorry. Preload obstacle is very up, so I need to remove this one to change the height, and you can see this, the height is here, so you can keep the 10 like there. All right, and then if I change this one 800, see I have a different hurdles or obstacles in my way, but it's not moving. I'm not sure why it's not moving. Okay, space bar is not working. Alright, I need to put this one. Yeah, okay, one. Oh, game is over and I got an error. There's the game.scene.restart. Okay, why it's giving me this one? Game. Okay, we will have to use this keyword, like this dot scene dot restart. Let me check now. Yes, I got it. Oh my god, ChatGPT, give me the code that I generate the game. So this is the basic game I generated from the ChatGPT, and follow all the instructions to how to develop the Dinosaur game. So I think that seems to be interesting. So next video I will build another game, like maybe a tic-tac-toe or another game that I have the plan. Okay, then I think this whole demo enjoys a lot. So if you like this video, then please like, share and comment about the new games that you want to develop using ChatGPT. Please comment that game name, so I will try to generate that game and build that game using the ChatGPT. So see you guys in the next video.